Greetings everybody, and in this video I'll show you how to upload a data file to JASP. JASP compatible file extensions include .jasp, .csv, SPSS files and many more. Excel sheets can be saved as comma separated value or .csv files like so. Save as, and once we come here, save as type, we can save this as a CSV UTF-8 or .csv file. And once we have saved that, we can open JASP and open after browsing to the location where we have saved the file, and now this will have appeared a Microsoft Excel comma separated value file or .csv file. We can open this and we are done. We have successfully uploaded a data file to JASP, and now we can start analyzing the data right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.